Hello boys and girls. Today we are going to introduce a new model, cycle model, which is Kross. The brand name is Kross and the model name is Meridian, which is 29-inch tire size cycle with steel frame, 160 mm curved handlebar, suspension 60 mm travel suspension, mechanical disc brake, powerful mechanical disc brakes for for stunt purpose. You can use. And when you talk about the tire, Ralston, one of the topmost company in India for cycle tires, and which is being used not cotton, it's nylon tire. And the rim, when you double alloy rim with 36 holes mega hub, the pedals and the crank, it's a steel crank with plastic pedals. When you talk about the grip, it got palm support for better when you ride for a long time. You can relax your hands and you can travel easily. And the stem is like alloy stem with Kenley headset. Kenley is like one of the top in this segment, and the same is used in this bike. And when you talk about seat, it got quick release. You can easily adjust the height. If you want to increase the height or reduce the height, it is very easy. The main component, the gear system, no compromise means no compromise, only Shimano, everywhere Shimano. When I check this bike, there are a lot of brands. They use Shimano shifters, some other brand RD, some other brand FT, but everywhere it is Shimano. I don't know what this brand is up to. They are going to break the market with this high quality spec for the good price range. So coming to the point, this is 21 speed cycle with 7 speed shifter there, and on the left side 3 speed shifter with Tourney FD and Tourney RD, 7 speed RD at the back, and the free wheel. It'll be one of the biggest drop of the season. The quality is top notch when we look at the spec, and performance wise also we have tried the cycle in our store, and few of the customers have bought it, and it's really good. The steel frame, the paint quality, everything looks, it's really amazing, and you won't regret it. If you buy also, it's a good value buy. So what we are saying, go for it. If you are the height of 5.6 to 6 or 6.2, you can buy this cycle. It's an MTB cycle with 29 into 2.40 tire size. It's a bigger tire. What the kids love these days, MTB. And yeah, this is it guys. Go purchase it and enjoy the ride. See you.